Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for way to save space and keep your lehenga organized, you have come to the right place. In this video I will show you a simple and effective method to fold your lehenga, ensuring it take up minimal space in your wardrobe. Let's get started. So guys, first lay out your lehenga being by laying your lehenga flat on a clean surface. Smooth out any wrinkles on creases to ensure a neat fold. Fold the lehenga skirt. Take one side of the lehenga skirt and fold it toward the center, making sure the edges align. Repeat this step with the other side so the skirt is folded in half. Next, fold the lehenga blouse in half vertically, bringing the shoulder seams together. This will create a compact fold for the blouse. So guys, and there you have it. By following these simple steps you can fold your lehenga in a way that saves space and keep it organized. Remember, a folded lehenga not only maximize your wardrobe space but also help maintain the garment shape. And give it a try and enjoy a clutter free wardrobe. If you want to more tips and tricks for your YouTube channel, feel free to ask. Happy folding. Thank you for watching my video. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care.